you can see these images of the birds. They come to your hand because it snows and because it's winter time right now, and I really enjoy it and I admire because they come in a lot of birds right now, and I really appreciate this. Thank you very much. Today is the 7th of December of 2010, and you can see because it snowed and the birds, they don't resist when the animals, they don't resist when it freezes the lake here, the small lake. And thank you very much. How the birds, you can see the man, they're giving the bread to the birds, and I will try this again.